Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the most powerful yet underrated indicators out there, and that is the momentum indicator. All right, so we're going to be talking about the momentum indicator in this video. All right, now if you're struggling to identify trends, reversals, or high probability trade setups, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the momentum indicator works, the best trading strategies to use with it, and how to combine it with other tools for even better accuracy. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any powerful trading content. Now, what is the momentum indicator? The momentum indicator is a technical analysis tool that helps traders measure the strength of price movements. Now, instead of focusing on just price direction, the momentum indicator tells you how strong or weak a trend is, which can help you make smarter decisions. So here's how it works. The indicator calculates the speed at which price is moving. All right. And then when the momentum is high, it signals strong market movement in a certain direction. When the momentum slows down, it can indicate a potential reversal or weakening trend. So you often see the momentum indicator displayed as a line moving. You can see fluctuating within this indicator window, moving up and down within this indicator window, showing whether buyers or sellers are in control. So now that we know what the momentum indicator is, let us go over some of the best trading strategies using the momentum indicator. So the first is the momentum trend confirmation strategy. One of the best ways to use this indicator is to confirm the strength of a trend before entering a trade. So if the momentum indicator is rising, it confirms an uptrend is strong. All right. Then when the momentum indicator is falling, it confirms that a downtrend is strong. All right. So you can identify a trend using a moving average, for example. Right. Can identify a trend. For example, we can see that we had a buy trend here. So once you've identified the trend using the moving average, like the 50 EMA, then if the price is above the 50 EMA and the momentum is increasing, look for buy opportunities. Okay. But if the price is below the 50 EMA and the momentum is decreasing, then look for sell opportunities. So now let's talk about the momentum reversal strategy. The momentum indicator is also great for spotting reversals before they happen. When the momentum slows down, while price is still moving higher, it's a sign that the uptrend may be weakening. All right, like you can see what happened here. Momentum slowed down, price was still going up, but it shows that the momentum was weakening. So later on, we had a decline. All right, and when momentum is increasing, while price is moving lower, it can signal an upcoming bullish reversal. Okay, so you can look for divergence between price and momentum. If price is making higher highs, but the momentum is making lower highs, for example, price is making higher highs, momentum is making lower highs, a downtrend may be forming. But if price is making lower lows, but momentum is making higher lows, an uptrend may be forming. Okay. For example, you can see what happened here. See, price was making lower lows, right? The momentum indicator made higher lows. So this is a bullish divergence, right? You can see that it showed that the bearish momentum was getting weak and a bullish reversal could be incoming. And shortly afterwards, we had the bullish reversal. So this is a bullish divergence, okay? Now, to improve accuracy, combine the momentum indicator with other trading tools like moving averages, RSI, support and resistance zones, etc. You can use a moving average to confirm the overall trend direction before entering a trade. You can use the RSI, to confirm overbought and oversold conditions. For example, when both the RSI and momentum indicator show overbought or oversold conditions, it increases the chance of a reversal. Okay, and then always pay attention to your support and resistance zones. Okay, they are very, very important. If momentum spikes near key support levels or resistance levels, it can signal a strong breakout or rejection. Okay, so let us just go through an example of how you could use momentum indicator to enter a trade. So let us consider a scenario whereby you are trading the USD CHF, okay, on the 4 hours chart. So you identify a downtrend, right? You can see you identify a downtrend, and the price is staying below the 50 EMA, and the momentum indicator is also falling, confirming bearish momentum. You enter a sell trade, you place a stop loss just above the recent swing high. All right, then when the momentum starts to starts to slow down, or rather starts to show a hint of wanting to go up around the support level or a support zone, right, then you can exit your trade, locking in your gains. The reverse is the case for a buy. Okay, if you notice a buy signal, let's say you identify an uptrend with price staying above the 50 EMA and the momentum indicator is also rising, confirming strong bullish momentum, you can enter a buy trade, place your stop loss below the recent support, and then you notice that momentum starts to slow down near a key resistance, perhaps around here. You can then exit your trade and lock in your gains. So by using the momentum indicator, you avoid trading against weak trends and you time your entry and exit better. Now let's just consider some final tips and takeaways. All right, momentum alone is not enough, so always use it with trend confirmation or other indicators for stronger signals. Also, watch for divergences. If price and momentum disagree, a reversal may be coming. Okay, and then finally, it works on all markets, whether you trade forex, stocks, or crypto. Momentum is a universal concept that applies everywhere. Okay, so that is how you can use the momentum indicator to trade better. This tool is simple but extremely effective when used the right way. If you learned something new in this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies. Let me know in the comments, do you use the momentum indicator in your trading? Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.